Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Node.js on Windows 10 and 11. Node.js also comes packaged together with NPM. NPM is a package manager that is used to install various packages from GitHub and other repos. So let's start. So first we will go to Chrome, open it. Here I will search for Node.js. This first link, nodejs.org. Go to this. Click on this Get Node.js. Now go down and here download Windows installer. Save this, show in folder, right? Click on this and open it. Click next. I accept the agreement and next. It will install Node.js on this path. You can change it from here, but I will keep it default. Cancel this and click next, next, next and install. Yes. Now the installation has started, so it will take some time, so we will wait. So now you can see Node.js has been successfully installed. So I'll finish this. Now we will verify our installation. How can we verify this? I'll close this. I'll close this as well. I'll come to the search, type cmd here, and I'll type here node-v, and it will show us the version of our Node.js installed. And then we will check npm-v, and it will show you the npm version. So in this way, you can install Node.js on Windows 10 and 11. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.